Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nazrul Izzat, B0518100015. So today I would like to talk about sustainability and environment. As a part of the subject Engineer and Society, we have been instructed to make a video about the SDG governance structure in Malaysia. The most related working committee for this task is the Environment and Natural Resource. I will specifically cover goals number 12, which is the responsible consumption and production. For this topic, I've identified a couple of issues in my housing area, which is located at Durian Tunggal, Malacca. Issues related to responsible consumption and production in my housing area, as you can see, is this. The waste management in this area does not separate waste that can be recycled and cannot be recycled. The management only provide one trash can. This will make the recycling process very difficult. The nearest recycling center in my housing area is 6.5 km from my house. So, it is not so convenient and makes recycling very difficult. Another issue that I noticed is that the recycling center does not have sufficient storage to store recycling waste. The process to recycle also takes lots of time, making the waste pile up. Other than that, there is also an issue of people disposing waste at a place that is inappropriate. As you can see, there is a lot of waste pile up. This will affect the pond nearby and will affect the ecosystem at that pond. Housing nearby also just little irresponsible. This will affect the ecosystem and will cause lots of damage to the environment. This issue will also create an uncomfortable smell that will affect the people nearby. The waste will also block the sewage. This will lead to flood that is happening right now in Malaysia. We as a future engineer must think of a solution to solve all of this problem. first issue, the waste management should provide a recycling truck. Other than that, you can create a recycling shed at each residential area. You can also build a better recycling facility so that recycling waste won't pile up, just like the issue mentioned before. Lastly, we should create a seminar or talk for younger generation about the importance of recycling and why we should preserve all of our resources. In conclusion, we should preserve all of our resources. This is important because if you neglect all of this, our children and grandchildren won't be able to survive and enjoy the nature. So that's all for this video. Thank you and Assalamu alaikum.